Let's talk about radioactive bananas. I'm Les Johnson, your friendly neighborhood rocket scientist and science fiction writer, and I'd like to talk to you today about antimatter. Now, antimatter is the stuff of good science fiction writing, but it's also the stuff of good physics and good science. It's real. What is antimatter? Well, the universe around us, that which we interact with in our daily lives, is made out of normal matter, protons, neutrons, and electrons. But under specific circumstances, either in radioactive decay or very high energy particle collisions like happen at CERN in Europe, there are these other parts of matter, other particles of matter created called antimatter particles. Now, some of these look just like protons, they weigh the same, they look just like it, but instead of a positive charge, they have a negative charge. Then there are anti-electrons, which look just like electrons, except instead of a minus charge, they have a plus charge. When a matter and antimatter particle interact, they call annihilation occurring. Now, in annihilation, you basically have what my friend Albert Einstein here says equals mc squared. So all the energy that's contained in that mass is turned into energy and released in gamma rays and other secondary particles. Well, how does that relate to my banana? Well, the soil that bananas are grown in is rich in potassium. In fact, bananas are known for containing potassium. There is a rare isotope of potassium called potassium-40 naturally occurring. Potassium-40, about every hour and a half, one of those atoms will decay into argon-40 and release a positron. That positron annihilates with an electron of another atom in the banana and reduces itself to pure energy, which is absorbed by the banana around it. Now, don't panic. This amount of radiation released is very minor. It's a very small amount. Barely a fraction of a chest x-ray, probably not even measurable in terms of what a dosage risk is to people. And it happens all the time in your kitchen with a banana. So the next time you're at a cocktail party and the subject of radiation comes up, you can talk to your friends about your radioactive bananas.